macula seems to imbue all the layers except that of the rods and cones. It is of a richer yellow, deepest toward the centre of the macula, and does not appear to be due to pigment cells, but simply to a staining of the constituent parts. At the ora serrata the nervous layers of the retina end abruptly, and the retina is continued onward as a single layer of columnar cells covered by the pigmented layer. This double layer is known as the pars ciliaris retinae, and can be traced forward from the ciliary processes on to the back of the iris, where it is termed the pars iridica retinae, or uvea. The arteria centralis retinae and its accompanying vein pierce the optic nerve and enter the bulb of the eye through the porus opticus. The artery immediately bifurcates into an upper and a lower branch, and each of these again divides into a medial or nasal and a lateral or temporal branch, which at first run between the hyaloid membrane and the nervous layer, but they soon enter the latter and pass forward, dividing dichotomously. From these branches a minute capillary plexus is given off, which does not extend beyond the inner nuclear layer. The macula receives two small branches, superior and inferior macular arteries, from the temporal branches and small twigs directly from the central artery. These do not, however, reach as far as the fovea centralis, which has no blood vessels. The branches of the arteria centralis retinae do not anastomose with each other. In other words, they are terminal arteries. In the fetus, a small vessel, the arteria hyaloidea, passes forward as a continuation of the arteria centralis retinae through the vitreous humour to the posterior surface of the capsule of the lens. End of section 51.